New classes. New classes. Classes. New classes. Classes. New classes.
Hello world, my name is Tim Roswick.
Couch here.
BlackThornProd.
My name is Thomas Brush, I make video games for a living.
Hey, this is Jonas, and this week
I'm going to show you a simple technique to improve your development workflow.
And the cool thing is that we will do it without writing a single line of code.
Wow, I've just reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is mind-blowing.
Here's the thing, I don't think anybody should ever make games alone. Period. Hands down, never make games alone. But what do I mean by that?
I started off writing down all of my ideas on paper, which would be a lot easier if I actually had any ideas.
So it's basically a way for you to create a variable that can have multiple types. So without further ado, let's just jump into the code and take a look at how we can use std variant.
So recently I've been intrigued by the idea of simulating erosion to try and make generated terrain a little more interesting and natural looking.
Alright guys, so we got quite an easy one today. I'm not going to put in the code incrementally. We're going to just throw everything out there and show you how it works. So let's go right in the engine right now.
The idea was to not only build a character that could replace the mixable model I used in most of my projects, but also to create something that was easy enough for people to add to their own prototypes.
There's this bird here just sitting around, and if I click somewhere, I can launch him in the opposite direction of the mouse. So click down here, and he does just a tiny jump.
Alright, here's the list I came up with. Door slam, soft kick drum, fire ignite.
Usually near the end of a project to get the thing done. They've got a game that's going to release on a certain date and not enough time to get it done, working 40 hours a week.
UI or the text element every single time we do this, but the easiest way to do it is we create our own custom function in the player health.
Oh my god, look at that. Presented to Saiku YouTube. We got ourselves the official silver play button.
Even though we have properly assigned a material to this grass mesh, but when we are placing this grass mesh on the surface, it's coming out of pink.
Beautiful. Well, not really. I'm actually getting triggered by this, and I'm feeling my scrolling blindness flaring up again.
I basically said, lock me out of the repo. I don't want to be involved in the porting process from a code perspective because I don't want to be tempted to fix stuff.
And it gets its game logic component with the get component function.
Can it still be loaded? Oh no, that is not what I wanted to see.
That's pretty much it for this video. From here it's up to you to start making your own
games.